Alright, we're back. We're now going to remove the steering rack. Yeah. But first off, we're going to remove steering column. And we're having rather a little bit of difficulty because we decided to spray the Line-X before we did any of the work, which, in hindsight, might have been a better idea to do later. Either way, we have a little bit of Line-X on these bolts and it's proving difficulty to remove them, as you can see. Yeah, just let's pull it out evenly. Oh, there we go.
There you go. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Oh, hey, rack and pinion out!
It won't be. Sorry to see the back of that.
Okay, here's a funny story. I've lost a few bolts over the last 3 years. There's one of them. And a couple other. I've taken a few out already. Look at that.
Yeah.
They've all.
Another one there.
Bugger. It's a little picky to get out, but like, yeah, there's no chance you're getting these bolts with everything inside. What do we need? WD-40?
Yes.
Alright, okay, come on. Ooh, big bottle.
I'll just do them all at the same time, you know. Mind you, I've heard one at a time is good fishing, but you know, I don't agree with that, you know. Look at that, it cleans them up a treat.
How's it cooking out here?
It's going good.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube? YouTube! What up?
And isn't it amazing to note that this t-shirt was something that Dio was wearing yesterday?
I wear it to bed. That was my underwear yesterday.
Ah, so we covered up all the skiddy marks with some oil sparks, so don't worry.
Do we need to?
There's actually no oil on there. It's all shit.
Okay, it's coming to the end of our Labor Day shenanigans. We've managed to pull out quite a bit of material here in the engine bay. We've also pretty much got the inside taken out too. No more steering column, no more accelerator pedal, no more brake and clutch pedal. We also have taken out the switch panel and a few other electronical components. This backboard's gone, everything here's gone. We've labelled all the electronics, so we know what they are when we come to rewire, or, well, we're considering just redoing the whole thing anyway. It's looking rather neat now that everything is a little bare. Now that everything's gone, isn't that right there, Dad, huh?
Yeah, it looks rather bare now. There's nothing left.
Nothing left, yes.
Everything's gone.
Well, we're now considering maybe taking out these panels now, as that'll be a good jobbed, and that'll be a nice end to our workday. So if we do cut them out, there'll be a nice video montage in a minute. If we don't, the video will probably end here. Alright.
Bye.
The bloody battery died, so we're charging it back up right now. Okay, we've managed ourselves to cut all the way up here, along here. I think we're gonna call it a night because the battery's dead.
I'm dead.
And we need some food. I will get back at this this week. Time to clean up and get showered and dressed for dinner. See you next time.